How to Add Google Authenticator to Binance 2025 Guide. Hey everyone! Welcome back to HowtoMastery. In this video, I'll show you how to add an authenticator to your Binance account step by step, so your crypto stays secure. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Google Authenticator. First, download the Google Authenticator app for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. You can also use Authy or any other trusted 2FA app. Step 2. Log in to Binance. Open the Binance app or visit Binance.com in your browser. Log into your account with your email and password. Step 3. Go to Security Settings. Tap Profile Security or go to Account Security if you're on desktop. Here you'll see the Google Authenticator or Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA option. Step 4. Start the setup. Tap Enable or Setup next to Google Authenticator. Binance will show you a QR code and a 16-digit key. Step 5. Link Binance to Authenticator. Open the Google Authenticator app and tap the plus icon. Then choose Scan a QR code and scan Binance's QR code, or choose Enter a setup key manually and type the 16-digit key. Step 6. Save the backup key. Write down the 16-digit backup key and keep it somewhere safe. If you lose your phone, you'll need this key to restore your 2FA. Step 7. Confirm and activate. Back on Binance, tap Next. Enter the 6-digit code shown in your Authenticator app. Also, enter any other required verification, like email or SMS code. Tap Submit to activate. Step 8. Done. Your Binance account now has two-factor authentication with Google Authenticator. You'll need to enter the 6-digit code each time you log in or withdraw funds. This keeps your crypto safer. Outro. And that's how you add Google Authenticator to Binance. If this helped you, please like, subscribe to HowtoMastery, and comment below if you'd like help setting up more security tips for crypto. Stay safe and thanks for watching.